What's up, blockheads? We are in a garage today. Got the truck on a lift. Aaron, who's like the designated Tacoma helper.
Yeah.
So we're here at Diddy Auto Garage, which stands for Do-It-Yourself Auto Repair. But basically the way this is set up, it's like a co-op, I guess, garage. You guys know, like a co-op motorcycle garage. You can come in, you can rent out one of their lifts. You can either do like a full lift, you can just do like, use this area if you want. They'll rent out the tools to you. They've got like some common use tools, common area tools. And yeah, pretty cool spot. I love the idea of it. Today we're gonna be doing suspension on the Tacoma. This button here makes it go up, this makes it go down, and this is the lock. So this is Junior, owner.
I am Junior the owner. Yeah.
Junior the owner, Diddy Auto Repair.
Thank you for coming up to the shop and using the shop.
Definitely, thank you for letting us.
Okay, sure.
Appreciate it. All right, we're gonna get to installing a lift then. Before we get too far into it, guys, this episode is brought to you in part by TacomaBeast. If you guys don't know what TacomaBeast is, and you've got a Tacoma, you should definitely know what TacomaBeast is. It's a website. They sell a ton of Tacoma parts. So I got this Eibach suspension kit from them. Big shout out to Mateo. If you guys end up going with a Eibach lift like I'm doing, the Eibach Pro lift, you can get a discount there if you go to TacomaBeast and you use the discount code Blockhead. So I'll put the discount code like right here on the screen. And then, yeah, whenever you're checking out, just put that discount code in and it'll save you some money. Now they do have leaf springs as well. So if you guys want to get leaf springs, they've got add leafs. They've got like all the hardware, the bushings and stuff that you need for that. However, I did end up going through Headstrong Off-Road, which is what this package is. This is like all my bushings, my U-bolts, all that stuff for the Old Man Emu or the OME Dakar leaf pack. So this is the medium duty, just because I do haul motorcycles in the truck. We're gonna get the wheels and tires off, and then we'll start unboxing some of this stuff so you guys can see that. But yeah, once again, big thanks to TacomaBeast. You guys be sure to check them out. I'll drop the link as well as the discount code down in the description below. Step one, remove the wheels and tires. Undoing the lugs, take them off. And then you have access to all of this goodness, the suspension. So let's go ahead and unbox the new suspension. Open it up, see what it looks like. Awesome. I always like doing this. Fancy.
Oh, more paper.
Stickers for the tool chest. Oh shit, are these not assembled?
Dun dun dun.
All right, thought they came assembled. All right, now we do have to use a spring compressor. All right, so check it out. I thought these came assembled, but they do not. So basically, for stock, it comes with the stock ride height, the snap ring and the stock ride height. So we're basically putting it up to the 2-inch, or what says should be a 2.5. So we got this one done. So what we're doing is basically like unseating it just a little bit, moving it up, clicking to the next one, unseating it, moving it up to the next one. All right, getting in there with some of the suspension, starting to undo it. A lot of trust, man. Swinging a mallet at you.
Yep.
Wonder what he's doing.
It's like he's changing. There you go.
Man, let's get the lid off.
I got it.
Got it.
Same thing on the back side.
Got it. So check it out, guys. Milwaukee liquid paint Awesome for marking those cams. Our neighbor over here working on his BMW happen to have them. You okay with being on YouTube?
Nah, I don't mind.
You okay? What's your name?
Robert.
Robert?
Yeah.
All right, guys. Thank Robert for the paint pen. I appreciate it, man.
All right, man.
All right. All right, shop update. We got till 2:30 till the shop closes, so we have enlisted the help of one of the professional shop hands, and he's doing the rear suspension here. We're working on the front while he's working on the rear.
Thanks. Hold it.
Woo!
Good job, Stu.
Yes. All right, so we have the coilovers removed. One here and one here. Now with the Eibach kit, they actually don't send you this top plate, top piece, right? So your coilovers are not pre-assembled. So what you have to do is obviously reuse this top piece unless you order a new one. So what you have to do is you have to compress the springs, take that piece off, and then we're gonna put it on the new coilover assembly. All right, so check it out, guys. We're getting these all compressed up. Something we found out about the Eibach shocks here. So they basically come with two spacers, right? So since they don't send that top plate, or in mine, I didn't get that little top plate piece that has the prongs, this piece, right? So the OEM one has a little bottom bumper built into it. So you can basically take this one off of the kit. You don't need to use that one and just use the one that's in the OEM plate. So we're installing a stabilizer bar relocation bracket. Comes with Eibach. We've installed on this side already. That piece right there.
So we're taking these out right now, the old ones. Already got that bolt out.
Bam.
One more behind it.
So the air, can I see this one?
I was not expecting.
The air comes out of the bottom of these things apparently. All right, so those stock ones. Shit does require a red Loctite. Put the larger hole towards the back. We're gonna lower this. Yep,
Yep,
so
looks good.
like that, right there.
Like that, yep. Okay,
Yep.
so so these go in first.
Motherfucker. All right, so we need a big old thing to rotate this over. Oh, yep.
There we go.
There it goes. All right, so we got the shock in the lower part here. You gotta torque this down to 61 foot-pounds. Aaron's first time using a torque wrench. We got it at 61 foot-pounds. And then we need to hold this side while you're doing that.
God damn.
Woo. Bueno. So we're tightening up the top ones. And then you torque them to 47 foot-pounds. Bueno.
That's our saying now, you know?
Bueno. Realign these, tighten them down. You lined up over there?
Fairly close.
All right, guys, so we got the alignment cams all back and tightened to the torque spec right here. All four. Now we're gonna reinstall the skid plate. It's got the two hooks on the front. Wheels and tires back on. Waiting to lower it to the ground before we tighten it up. That's it though. Leaving that plastic piece off.
It already looks taller.
Good job, man. Yeah. It already looks lifted. Oh, we got the guys getting these on back here.
This is what happens when you're in a time constraint.
Yep. All right, so we got to lower down. It's gonna settle, so that's not final, but we gotta torque down the wheels. Torque spec is what, 82 or something? So you didn't think you were gonna get put to work coming to hang out, did you?
Honestly, not really.
I mean, at any point you want to stop, let me know. You just keep on taking over. All right, bam, that is a lift. Installed Meteor tires on that thing. Already got them set up, we just got to go get them. So I don't know if I'll make that a separate video, maybe make this video. Anyways, hey, that's how you guys install a lift. Big thanks to the guys up here at Diddy Garage, Diddy Auto Repair. Appreciate it. Big thanks to Aaron. Skip leg day. Good job, man.
Weird, man.
What's that?
It's just skip leg day.
Yeah, I got bigger wheels and tires for it. Well, smaller wheels but bigger tires lined up. I just gotta go get them installed.
Looks good though, man.
But that's it, man. It's lifted. That's a big job, dude. Appreciate the help, dude.
Dude, yeah, man. That was a learning experience. And all you guys watching out there that know anything about me, which none of you probably do. But...
except for your friend that.
Yeah, except for what's up, McKinnon. Love you, buddy. Miss you guys.
Nice.
But yeah, as y'all know, I know nothing about cars. What I do know about motorcycles, I know even less about cars. So this was cool.
Yeah, man. Gives you a really good feeling of accomplishment, right?
Yeah.
Well, thank you again. If you guys want to hit up Aaron, check out the link down in the description below. On Instagram at, what is it? AA_Ron82. Cool. Once again, big thanks to TacomaBeast. You guys be sure to go check out the website. Like I said, I'll drop the link down in the description below as well. You guys get a discount at anything over at TacomaBeast if you use discount code Blockhead. So be sure to hit them up. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like. If you're not subscribed, hit subscribe. Hit the bell icon as well, so it sends you notifications of future uploads and activity. Until next time, you guys, drive safe, lift safe, sleep safe, stay vigilant.
Deuces.
Deuces. Now we gotta go pay for our tab. Damn it.